All the evidence suggests that the majority of Fijians agree that Rambuka did the right thing. There are regular performances like this one, groups publicly demonstrating their allegiance to the man the Tokes have called the Saviour. When Sitiveni Rambuka steps aside, and when there's a return to an elected Fijian parliament, remains unclear. He says he thinks a general election should be held inside 2 years. He'd prefer it was within 1 year or even